Hello and welcome. My name is Syed Omar Aslanzeli, and today we're going to be building a logic circuit. The logic circuit that we're going to be building today is an adder circuit. It is a circuit that we have learned in our digital logic and design. We're going to be building it in Minecraft using items found in the game. Hmm. Now we're going to be seeing what a logic circuit looks like. This may look very confusing to you, but in the end, you will be able to build this yourself. The essential things required are three bits of two numbers, one be a number and b number. Also, what we need is a c in or a carry in, and we will need a c out, a carry out. This will all be explained in the next 5 minutes. As we can see, a full adder is a logic circuit that is used in our daily lives to add two bits. Now, bits are the smallest piece of information in a computer, and they are added using a full adder. Now, the full adder generates a sum output and an output carry. What this means is that you add two bits and an input carry. Now, the input carry is a carry input from another full adder that we will discuss. Now, what happens is, say, what we added was 0 and 0. Now, 0 and 0 in binary equals to 0 in sum. But if we add 0 and 1, that is going to equal to 1 in the sum. And if we add 1, 1 in binary AB, we're going to get 0 in sum, but in our carry out, we're going to receive 1. However, if we get 1, 1, and 1 through our C in, we get a 1, 1 in C out. What this means is basically, in binary form, this means 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals these 2-bit binary number of 3. As you can see, it's written here, input carry, sometimes designated C1, output carry, sometimes designated C out. And A, B are the input variables. As you can see here, this is the logic circuit. A XOR B, A XOR B, XOR C in, and over here AB plus A XOR B C in. The, the way a full adder is used, it is made up of two half adders, which are combined using an OR logic gate, and this makes the full adder logic symbol. As you can see here, 1 and 0 are added into the half adder. This equals to 1 and a C out of 0. Now the C out of 0, it goes into the OR circuit. And then the sum of the first one goes into A of the second one. Now what happens when we need the other one is that we get the B of the second bit. We add that one, and the C out from this one goes into the C out OR gate. The sum which we get from 1 plus 1 is 0, but the C out is 1, so the OR will now have a 0 and a 1, which will then equal to a sum of 0 and a C out of 1. This is the truth table of the full adder and its fuses. Now I'm going to be showing you how to build a adder circuit in Minecraft, a 3-bit adder circuit. First, what we're going to need is two blocks. Then what, then what we're going to need is two levers on them and a redstone path connecting them. As you can see, what we need is an X right now.
अब तीन तीन टेस्ट होते हैं यहाँ से एक बना हुआ है आयरन का तीन टेस्ट होते हैं आयरन लगा
After that, we're going to be making these iron blocks. These are going to be our levers for the whole experiment.
अब इस एक्स के लेफ्ट साइड पे ऊपर बनाना है एक लेफ्ट ऊपर और फिर नीचे वाले को छोड़ देना
First, we're going to be filling up the redstone and the levers, and then
एक्स के लेफ्ट पे ऊपर एक बना इधर राइट पे नहीं राइट पे एक्स के हाँ इधर एक बना तो ऊपर बना उसके और नीचे वाले को छोड़ दो अब यहाँ से पीछे एक पूरा स्टेयर लेके जाना और पीछे वाले तोड़ देना वैसे ही होगा। क्या बोलते हैं। और इनको कनेक्ट ही किया तुमने, कैरी इनको आउट कर दिया।
For this, we need redstone lamps so that anyone else who is doing the work can fix any problems with it.
ये मैं कर दूंगा पहले। जैसे तुमने सी आउट किया ना, यहाँ पे राइट पे जा रहा है, इन सब पे सी आउट करो दूसरे पे, उसका इंस्ट्रक्टर अच्छा। जैसे तुमने सी आउट किया ना, राइट पे जा रहा है, इन तीनों को राइट पे करो, दस लगाओ पीछे, ये चीज़ और उससे लगेगी।
As we can see, this is now built and it works perfectly. Let's check it, shall we? 1 is 1, while 1 plus 1 equals Seeing how this splendidly works, 1 plus 1 equals 2. If we make it C. Ooh, do this. Oh, 3 plus 3 equals 6. In binary, this is a 4 and this is a 2. And this is a 1 and this is a 2. So a 1 plus 2, 3. That times 2 is equals to 6, which is 4 plus 2.
ये बताओ सॉर गेट्स।
These are essentially XOR gates that we have used to build this spectacular monument. A XOR gate has this following truth table. 0 and 0 means 0, but 0 and 1 and 1 and 0 in any case will mean 1, and 1 and 1 will be 0. Thank you. Sum. And if we add 1 1 in binary AB, we're going to get 0 in sum, but in our carry out we're going to receive 1. However, if we